What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks in the Sticks Mobile. So right now I'm on my way to meet up with A-Man. We're gonna go to a car show today, and it's like a 2-hour drive, so I'm gonna be taking you guys along. I'm gonna put you guys in the GoPro as well, so you guys can kind of, we do a little POV drive on the way there as well, and then also record a little bit of the event. So if you guys enjoy the video, make sure you go down below and like the video, you know what I'm saying? Then subscribe, of course. Boy needs some gas, so we're gonna meet up at a gas station so I can get some gas there real quick before we head out. The good thing about a day like today is that, you know, there is not too much traffic right now. You know, probably later down the line, you know, it's probably gonna be more traffic, but as of right now, it's not too bad, so it should be okay. I didn't even eat nothing either, so I'm gonna definitely have to stop somewhere and get something to eat. We gotta get that gas, man. If not, we don't make it.
Yo, I think the shirt nice.
Shop at
A's Apparel. I don't even remember my website. A's Apparel. Yeah. A's Apparel.
A's Apparel. Shop at
Bro,
A's
it's been
Apparel.
a while. Bro, it's warm out. We can actually wear t-shirts again.
Oh, D, I didn't even bring a sweater today. I'm good. We out here looking like the police. Better get the radio and stuff.
Yo, C12.
Look at the lineup, guys. Look at the lineup.
Yo, let's get to the...
Yeah, you got the nice. White and black.
That was an older dude.
Yeah, I seen it.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, he was mad happy. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see that. We are still a whole hour and 30 minutes away. So, you know, I'll probably put you guys on the GoPro once we get closer, because right now we're pretty much just cruising on the highway. There's nothing too exciting going on. A-Man is way out there. I don't know if you guys can even see him, but yeah, just chilling. Just finished eating some McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? I got 2 little bags because we was hungry, and we didn't really want to buy food at the event. Alright, you guys, back on the GoPro. We are like, I don't know, let me see it, 20 minutes away now. I'll put you guys on the GoPro, you know, capture this little drive. We just been cruising, to be honest, just kind of talking on the radio. We're looking like police out here. We just talking on the radio and just chatting, bro, because, you know, we've been driving for like 2 hours now, and so, you know, we had to keep each other, you know, entertained. Especially like when you drive in Jersey, like highways, like everything just feels so much further away, just because you're just on the highway driving straight for so long, you feel me? Yeah, me and A-Man, which that's him right there in the 330, we're just pretty much talking about like YouTube and like how we're trying to make the videos better for you guys, how we can improve, and just talking about editing and, you know, trying to learn how to edit better. Just, bro, we just want to make the videos the best we could possibly, you know, make it without having to pay somebody else, you know, to edit the videos, because, you know, that can get expensive. I just want to learn myself, because nobody can really think like you think. So if you send a video to somebody or whatever, they'll, you know, edit it how they want to edit it. Obviously you can tell them what you want in it and stuff, but it's just different when you do it yourself, you feel me? Because like you have like this vision and like how you want the video to turn out and like what you're looking for, which is hard to like replicate. I just want to get really good at editing and make the videos like entertaining to watch and kind of like create a story for you guys, you know what I'm saying? So I need to pass this guy, hold on. Cutting up.
And these twisties.
Yeah, I was gonna say, he gonna miss the exit. I just got a new Easy Pass too, because the last one, bro, they was scamming me, bro.
Oh, would it not read it?
No, so the other one, I used to have it like paper trip, but I guess when they try to like take it from my account, it didn't work. And so what they do is they do like, they switch it, and then they do like the one where they like take a certain amount from your account. So they took like $95 from my account, and then once it gets like below like 30, I think, they take another 95. So they were just scamming me, bro.
Oh, I know. That's what mine is like, bro. It's wild.
Yeah, no, I hate that. I need that. I like my paper trip. Every time I pass, they take it. That's it. You know, Easy Pass, they love scamming people.
Bro, that is big facts. Tolls are such a scam, man. Freaking $18 for the George Washington. Like, for what?
Bro, bro, it's so crazy. And have you seen that they're, you know, talking about putting a toll to go to the city now?
Yeah, bro, I'm never going into the city if they do that.
Yeah, it's clear. Once they put that, it's over. POV videos in Yonkers.
Let's go!
Yo.
Bro, I hate going to the city. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah, I only like it for the videos because my people love hearing the car in the city and with the lights and stuff. It just looks nice. But besides that, bro, I do not like the city.
It does look cool, I'm not gonna lie. Like driving in the city and stuff like that, it's just like, bro, the amount of people that love that video that I did with you, they're like literally like, oh, it was entertaining. Like I didn't even realize like the video finished, and you know, like it just went by so fast. I was like, yo, like I have so many better videos. Like that's one you guys like.
That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, I'm over here doing, and then I try not to post much of going to the city because I think they're gonna hate it, but they just love it, bro.
Yeah, viewers are funny sometimes, man.
Look, there's a BMW right behind me. I think they're probably going to the spot too.
Oh, they probably are. What is it? It's a 5 Series.
Yeah, it's a 5 Series.
We gotta figure out where to park. Like, they have like a map for us to like to show like where to park for spectators and stuff. So we gotta figure that out.
We're almost there, guys. Oh, look at a BMW right there. It's that 340, I think. Pop it in sport for the last, you know, couple minutes here. Pretty much almost there. We got an M5 right in front of us. I haven't seen that M5 in a while. We see a whole bunch of Beamers. The M5 following you, I'm following him.
Looks like they're blocking some parking lots, so I guess we're not supposed to go there.
Yeah, probably. They're really blocking all these streets. You see these? They put some nice ass cars too to block it.
I think over there is the actual show. I think we gotta park over here.
Oh, they got some heat parked up in here, bro. Oh my god, I love BMWs.
Yeah, bro, you have fun still with something.
I'm mad excited. Oh shit. And there's just so much BMWs here, bro. At this point, this looks like a BMW me. But I'm pretty much gonna just be walking around, showing you guys a little bit about the, you know, what we see here. Look at that car. Like, you know what I'm saying? A-Man is somewhere. This one is by himself. Look at this M3 right here. Clean. It's so nice. And you got the all black fire. Let's see what else is around here, man. Got cars up on cars, you guys. Look at Baby Yoda. What's up, Baby Yoda? Do a little walk around so you guys can kind of see what I'm seeing. I see this car, bro, on Instagram all the time, bro. This thing is always coming up on my reels. It's nice though, I'm not gonna lie. This M6 is actually kind of fire. I'm not really a huge M6 kind of guy, but it's sick though. Whoever in that car is jamming right now. You can see this coming through right there. Sick. Okay, okay. Yeah. This is fire. Look at this. Sheesh.
You don't understand.
And you got first time seeing it in person. What do you guys think? Fire. I'm so dizzy. Nah, he went crazy, bro. Like, this car is brand new, guys. Like, he hasn't even really driven it. And look at everything that they've done already. You got carbon everywhere. Got some BBS's on here. Fire. Got the fire interior. He doesn't have the bucket seats, but it's still sick. I don't know if you guys can see, but looks stick shift too. I don't really know how to drive stick, so I can't get this car. I'll probably stall a million times. I know, like in person, guys, it looks so much better than, you know, online, but it looks sick regardless. So fire. See what else we got around here. Where my finger at? There you go. You got the yellow lights. Like, it's fire. Yeesh. This is fire.
Grab it.
He don't want to blow people's ears off. Damn, bro, M4 is so heat, bro.
That thing's fire. That's the GPS that we saw.
Yeah. It's fire. I think it's sick. Look at this, guys. Fire. Sheesh. All right, you guys. Well, that is going to be the end of today's video, guys. As you guys saw, you know, I kind of recorded a little bit of the meet, or not even a meet, it was more of a car show. Kind of showed you guys a little bit of the cars that they had, a lot of them beautiful cars, and we got to actually meet a lot of you guys too. I know some of y'all that was here, you know, came up to me and said what's up, which is crazy, honestly, that, you know, I'm even found somewhere. But yeah, I think that is gonna be it though. The show was cool, a lot of beautiful cars. I showed you guys in the video, but I think that's gonna be it. Eamon is over there drinking his soda because it is hot, guys. It's like 70 degrees out and stuff like that. So I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.